Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching a hosted Jupyter environment and connecting your files. First, pick a provider that matches your needs. For quick tests, use Colab. For reproducible repos, use Binder. Upload your IPINB or connect to GitHub. Make sure the kernel matches your code language. Once done, set runtime resources like CPU or GPU and check available RAM. This gets you from 0 to an active notebook, where you can run cells immediately and iterate. You now prepare the environment so code runs reliably. Start with a setup cell that installs libraries using %pip or %conda. This ensures packages load into the notebook kernel rather than the system. Then configure environment files like requirements. TXT for future runs, and, if necessary, restart the kernel to apply changes. Next, load your datasets by mounting cloud storage or uploading files directly. Make sure paths are correct. These steps avoid import errors and make execution deterministic. You finish by executing and validating the program. Run cells sequentially or use run all to create the expected execution state, then perform quick sanity checks or unit tests to verify results. Monitor outputs and resource usage to catch hangs or memory spikes. If something breaks, read the traceback to find the failing module, ensure the kernel matches the environment, reinstall problematic packages, and restart the runtime. One key tip: clear outputs and restart the kernel before a final full run to catch hidden state bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.